Merry Christmas, guys. You join me back today in central Manchester. So I'm in the city centre tonight on a works party, and I'm staying at the Pedulum Hotel. So it's a Pedulum Hotel and Conference Centre. I do believe this used to be part of a university building called UMIST. It's right next door to the Faraday building. So yeah, let's go and check in and see what it's like. So this is it. Massive building. It's a bit random, isn't it? So this is obviously where the hotel gets its name, with its pendulum. Right, so let's have a look around. Endless corridors. There's the pendulum swinging away. Right, so just getting this lift. It's a bit old, this lift, but working. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? So this hotel is actually run by Countrywide Hotels Group. I've actually stayed at a couple of these hotels already, and if you want to check them out, go and hit the videos below. It's the Aureda Maidstone, and there's another one on the side of the M6. It's an Ibis budget, now a motel. They also run the Wigan Oak Hotel, which has been closed for quite a few years. This bar area is quite a nice space though. Definitely come back. These are really good here. You can get like a power bank for your phone. I think these are just meeting rooms down here. So I would have liked to show you this hub restaurant at the bottom here, but unfortunately it is closed. Look at this, it's cool, isn't it? So apparently it's the UMIST Western building. My brother went to UMIST. Looks really nice down here though, doesn't it? Smells lovely in here. Let's up another spiral. More seating. This is the main reception area here, and all this has been recently redone. These are all new furniture, or relatively new anyway. We've got like a coffee station. Right, so I'm on the 5th floor. Let's get on this lift. God, that's a bit violent. I tell you what, you do get a few funny looks when you're walking around with a camera. Kind of used to it now though. Right, let's go and see what this room's like. I was asked as well if I want breakfast for £9.95, but I've opted against it. On the Lion instead. Bit of a maze, this place. Right. So I'm in that room at 524. Right then, so it's a compact double room I've got. I think they're all this small, but this is not bad. Everything's in it anyway. Straight away though, I feel like it's a Ramada. Red bed, red carpet. All the signs look like it used to be a Ramada. I don't know. Not massive for this room anyway. Right then, so we've got some mirror area there. I thought that was a wardrobe, but it isn't. It's just like a storage thing on top there. And then, you know, a nice comfy double bed. We'll check that out in a minute. We've got a wardrobe area there and a fan. One thing I've seen straight away though is there's no plug sockets anywhere near bed. So it's a good job I brought my extension lead. Couple of towels over there and a bag stand as well. Although I have put it on top here for now. Right then, have we got a view? Got a view of a closed down building. Brilliant. We have got a massive telly though. So I'll put my bag on that. How good's that? It slides in and out. That's really good. So they've obviously made the best use of the space. So everything's a bit older, but it's okay. It's functional. Is the kettle clean tonight? Let's have a look. Wow, sparkling. See my face in that. That is just what I want to see. I actually have a brew tonight. We've even got some biscuits there, cups, everything. Happy days. So you can even get room service, which is brilliant. And there is a 24-hour section. So then, yeah, this is it really. We've got a mirror. We've even got another mirror here. So the mirrors make it feel a lot bigger than it actually is. So, I mean, let's go and have a look at this bathroom, see what that's like. Right, so it's a bit dark here, but we've got to slide this door open and we get a really compact bathroom. But this is alright, this, for a city centre anyway. So it's nice and clean anyway, although I can see I've got a bit of gaffer tape there, don't know why, that's a bit broke. And then onto the shower. Yeah, nice decent soaps as well. It all looks very, very clean. So you certainly couldn't swing a cat in here though. So I'm actually wider than the door. I'm gonna go in sideways. Let's try this bed out. Oh, very soft. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So I thought I'd check out what's in these drawers. And we've actually got an iron in there, and something I've not seen for ages. We've got a Bible. So I can do my reading tonight at least. So after looking at this, I reckon this bed's facing it the wrong way around. I reckon bed's meant to be here, against this headboard thing here. And that there is meant to be a little bedside table. And you got your lights as well. So I reckon they've turned bed wrong way around. Right, so I'm going to be honest, I have not paid for this hotel room tonight. My company's booked this for me. And yeah, I'm here because it's a Christmas party. So, you know, I can't really tell you what it's cost. What I will tell you is, I've just had a quick look on booking.com. It was 109 quid. On an Expedia, it was 91. So, yeah, 91 quid for a room in a city centre on a Friday night. It's not brilliant, but it's not out of the way, is it? So I've walked past this place before and I've seen that it's been updated a bit recently. So all the furniture downstairs looks really nice. The rooms, yeah, you can tell they're a bit dated, but I think it's really good for what it is. You know, really compact, but everything's here. That desk is brilliant. Move my bag, you can use your laptop, I suppose. No issues. Right then, so I've been in the room a few hours now. I'm going to this Christmas party. So, yeah, I have to be dressing smart. So here I am. Right, I'll join you in the morning, guys. Right, so next day now, and yeah, it's like brilliantly. This bed is so soft. It's got like a topper on it, really comfy. Shower is good, even though it feels like a student dorm in here, which it probably was. It's still a good room. Good hotel, staff are friendly. I didn't eat any food here. I'm not having breakfast. Yeah, it's not bad really. Parking, so there's no free parking. It's Manchester innit? But there is an NTP car park nearby, which they tell you to use, and if you speak to reception, they'll give you a discount code, and I think it makes it about 15 quid. Well, 24 hours, it's not that bad really, in city centre anyway. Right then, that's it for this one. Hope you're all having a great day. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Until the next one.